What's up, guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we're going to be walking you through utility knives and the different types and how to change the blades. So the first type we have here, this is the Stanley Retractable. And you can see here, this button's how you retract it. Push it in. And then to change the blade, all you do is press this yellow button. You want to always grab the blade just with the back here so you don't cut yourself. Push this in and then just wiggle the blade and pull it straight out. And then to put a blade back in, so you could actually, these are, say you pulled it out like that, you could actually flip it and reverse it, and then this side would still be good. So then you press it back in and just seat it, make sure it clicks, seat it in there. And then you could open and close it, make sure it's good. And then for this one in particular, you see that button there. If you pop that open and pull down on this, you can see it opens up the storage for other blades. So that's the Stanley Retractable. The next one we have is the non-retractable, non-folding, just a straight utility knife box cutter. So to change the blade on this, you actually have to remove this screw. And then this whole case opens up. And you can see it's where we have our spare blades. And then you just pick this up. And when you put it back in, it seats right in there, so you could seat it so that you only have a little bit of blade sticking up, or you could seat it so that you have a lot more blades sticking up. And then just close it and you can see it slides right in like that. Put your screw back in. This is probably the most unpopular type because you can't retract it, you can't fold it, so it's pretty actually dangerous. And also it takes more time to switch the blades out than the other two. So the third one we have, this is the Kobalt, but Stanley also makes these. This is the foldable. So to fold it down, you press that button in, and then it just comes down, clicks back up. Now to change this blade, there's a little button right here, you can see. What you want to do is press that, and it lifts up that little lever, and then you could just slide the blade out and pick the lever back up, push your blade in, make sure it clicks, and then fold. So obviously if you're going to be using these a lot, you want a good set of cut resistant gloves. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the three types of utility / box cutters. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to Fix Anything, Save Money. Have a good day.